Tired of your FAQs page looking generic with a default heading that just doesn't fit your brand? I get it. That little text box can make your whole site feel off. In just about 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to change it so it sounds like you, not some template. So here's the plan. First, we'll open your site in the Namecheap editor. Then we'll find that FAQs section and edit the heading text directly. It's really straightforward once you know where to look. All right, let's jump in. Start by heading over to your Namecheap dashboard. You want to find your website project and open the site editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and click that Edit button to launch the builder. Give it a second to load up. Now that you're in the editor, scroll down to where your FAQs section is. You'll see the default heading sitting there, probably something like Frequently Asked Questions. Click right on that section to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue border or some editing handles pop up around it.
This is the part where people sometimes get tripped up. They try to edit the text from the wrong menu. So make sure you click on the section itself, not a random blank area. Once the FAQs section is highlighted, look for the heading area. It's that main title text at the top of the section. Click directly on the heading text, and you should see an editing field appear. This is where you get to take control. Just type in your new heading. Maybe it's Got Questions or We've Got Answers. Whatever fits your brand voice. In my experience working through this builder, this is the most satisfying step because you instantly see your personality come through. Now, here's the important part. After you type your new text, don't just click away. Look for a save button or a check mark to confirm the change. On some editors, you might need to click outside the text box, but I always recommend manually saving to be safe. Head up to the Save button in the top menu and give it a click. This might take a moment to process, so just let it do its thing. Once it's saved, let's preview what we've done. Click that Preview button. It will open your site in a new tab so you can see exactly how it looks to your visitors. Check that the new heading is showing up correctly and that it fits well with the rest of your design. If it looks good, you're ready to publish. Go ahead and hit that Publish button to make it live. And that's it. You've gone from a generic, unbranded heading to something that actually represents your business. It's such a small change, but it really does make your site feel more professional and put together. Thanks for sticking with me through this. If you found it helpful, I've got more walkthroughs just like this one. Happy building!